Welcome back to Midnight Hell. I'm your host, Midnight. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of the multiverse. So buckle up and get ready for 8 mind-blowing facts that will leave you questioning reality. Fact number 1. The concept of the multiverse suggests that there are multiple universes existing parallel to our own. Imagine an infinite number of universes, each with its own set of physical laws and possibilities. Fact number 2. One theory of the multiverse is the bubble universe theory. According to this idea, universes are constantly forming and expanding like bubbles in a cosmic bubble bath. Fact number 3. Another theory is the parallel universe theory. This suggests that there are countless universes existing alongside ours, each with its own version of reality. In some of these universes, you might be living a completely different life right now. Fact number 4. The multiverse theory has gained popularity in the field of quantum physics. Scientists believe that the existence of multiple universes could explain some of the mysteries of the quantum world, such as the behavior of particles at the subatomic level. Fact number 5. The multiverse theory also has implications for the concept of time travel. In some universes, time might flow backward or even loop in on itself. Imagine the possibilities of exploring different points in time and altering the course of history. Fact number 6. The multiverse theory has even made its way into popular culture. Movies like The Matrix and Inception explore the idea of multiple realities and the blurring of the line between what is real and what is not. Fact number 7. Some scientists believe that the multiverse could explain the existence of dark matter and dark energy, two mysterious forces that make up a significant portion of the universe. Perhaps these forces are the result of interactions between different universes. Fact number 8. And finally, the creepiest fact of all. Some theories suggest that there could be universes where the laws of physics are so different that life as we know it would be impossible. Imagine a universe where gravity works in reverse or where time flows at a different speed. So, which of these facts do you find the creepiest? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Midnight Hell for more mind-bending content. Thanks for watching, and until next time, this is Midnight signing off. Midnight out.